Hello, and welcome to the fourth section in the video tutorials for the ministry website template and theme. In this video, I'll be discussing installing and activating the recommended plugins for the ministry website. So in the previous video, you should have added the pages that you wish to have for the ministry website. So you should have all the pages there, but for the pages to do everything that they are intended to do, you'll need some plugins. So here, when you go to the plugins page, you should see this box here at the top that tells you there are several plugins that need to be installed. So in order to do that, begin that, we'll have to hit begin installing plugins. Alright, so here are the list of plugins that we need to install. To install one, for instance, the PayPal, we'll just click install there, and it'll go through its process. Say successfully installed. We need to return to this. One thing that's important to note is even after something is installed, it's not necessarily available. It will have installed but not activated as its status, so we'll need to click activate before we actually use it. So now it's activated, as it says here, and is ready to use. We'll still need to do some setup on several of the plugins, which we'll go through later, but you'll need to install and activate each of the plugins that you want to use. Even the required plugins aren't necessarily going to be a problem if, for instance, you don't want a calendar on your site. You can choose not to install the events calendar, and everything will still operate the way it should outside of the events calendar page. That's pretty much everything involved in installing and activating plugins. In the next video, we will cover the donation plugin specifically.